Hey guys, so it's going to be another vlog today. So I'm going to be going to the market to restock as usual. So let's just do my skincare because we got keep our skin clean before we go out. We are those kind of girls that we don't rock makeup while we are going out. So guys, my brother, the gentle guy, the gentle man. Now I said he's a gentleman because he carries me to everywhere I go. So today he said he has some physical powers that he's going to follow me into the market to bargain with me. If you're a lady, you know that this is bad market. You want to go and follow me and know the real prices of the things that I buy. So guys, my mic stopped recording, so I had to do my skin prep, most of it offline. This is me applying my vitamin C. So then my serum black spot correcting is already finished. So I had to force. So I'm going to cut it so I can squeeze the rest of it out. So I also had to eat cucumber. I hardly ate food while I wait for my microphone to charge a little bit. So I had to eat. That's basically my breakfast before I head to the market. So after eating, I drank court. I was laughing at my stupidity. The way I was munching it like my life is depending on it. So I had to drink water. So enjoy the rest of the video. Oh, guys, welcome back. So I also had to eat my breakfast sharply. I want to go and faint in the market. So as I was visiting you guys, I already applied my vitamin C and my serum, so I'm going into my moisturizer. Uncle said he wants to go into the market with me. And again, I was stressing. I was stressing today. So you carry me the play. I was stressing. So anytime he hears go to the market, he's going to run for his life. Yes. But am I going to give him bad impression? I don't want to make him a bad husband. I still want him to continue to be a gentleman to his wife. If he wants to follow his wife, fine. But how can he come and follow me into the market and be like, hey, eh? Who does that? There is this place that I get plenty apricot while buying bag of rice. And Uncle said that is the place he wants us to go. And he already told me that he has gone to price. So I was telling him that one is not the kind of rice that I buy. So I told him it's not the kind of rice that I buy, that is a different rice. So I'm glad that my customers, I know them and they know me. Whatever I tell them, they do. But I will just stress him today. He will walk into the market, and I love how the sun is. The sun is very hot, and that is why I'm going to wear my sunscreen. I'm ready for him. He might not wear sunscreen, but me, I'm wearing my sunscreen. Sun will mama him. Sun will destroy his skin today. Ah, let me shall get ready. Guys, my skin is skinning now. My skin is skinning now. It's my skin. Had to go and touch a little gloss. A gloss. See, natural queen. This is what we call African queen with a natural color, natural skin. So guys, um checking my mic. The mic seems very low, so I'm done with my skincare. I'm going to dress up. So the next time I'm going to see you is in the market, and I'll show you how I'll be torturing my brother today. Sure, you want to show me that he's a bit something. So I'm going to stress him in the market. Anyways, going to the market is actually not easy. Like, it can be very stressful, and I'm glad that he said he's going to join me. I know how to manipulate him. Those money is going to go right into my pocket. If not, how am I going to be able to buy my skincare, purchase my sunscreen and all that? Anyways, I see you guys. He's coming. Are you ready? Okay. Bye, guys. So basically, guys, I told you guys that my brother said he was going to go into the market with me to bargain. Immediately we got to the market, the hot sun couldn't allow him come out of the car. So I basically shopped alone. I bought things alone. So he didn't actually go with me to the market. So he had to wait. He parked somewhere and waited for me after buying. We now headed home. So I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Please subscribe and do leave me a comment. And I will see you guys in my next video next weekend. I love you. Bye.
What are you doing? What's that?
Call me.
Tell me. Ah. I will punch.
No doubt. Thank you, Daddy. Going to do another note today.
only takes so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed, 'cause if I hurt you then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, gotta. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, gotta know. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? I gotta know, I gotta know. And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, gotta. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, gotta know.
아주 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going, going, going crazy. I'm going, going, going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going, going, going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야. 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going, going, going crazy. I'm going, going, going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going, going, going crazy, yeah. I'm going, going, 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수